Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super cool 3D perspective text with a reflection effect in Canva. First of all, I'll open up Canva. I'm going to set up a custom size. First, I'll go to the text option and add some text. I'll choose a font that really stands out. Next, I'll change the text color to white, clean and simple. Now, I'll download it as a PNG with a transparent background. Slow. Once that's done, I'll re-upload that image back into Canva. For the background, I'll head over to Elements and search for rivers. I'll pick one photo and set it as the background. I'll open the Canva apps section and search for transform image. After opening it, I'll add the text image that we just downloaded. To give it some depth, I'll add a shadow. Now, I'll duplicate that image and flip it vertically. I'll adjust both images so they look just right. After that, I'll open the edit section, make a few adjustments. transparency. Of the flipped image so it looks like a real reflection. And finally, I'll download the design and we're done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.